So this is going to be a quick tutorial video on how to track Acuity booking confirmation events with Google Analytics 4 because Acuity's default integration has some issues with it. So I'm going to walk through real quick. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into, this assumes you already have your Squarespace page set up and that you already have Acuity set up. So you're going to go into scheduling. You're going to scroll down, look for integrations. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to click edit. I'm not going to click here and show the client details. What you'll do is you go to Google Analytics, you go to the admin, you're going to go to data streams. You'll get the, you're going to click here. So you're going to get the measurement ID, and you're also going to need to create an API secret. So you can create it in here. I'm not going to do that for this one, but that's where you get those two pieces of information. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to enable the custom conversion tracking. So you click edit and it'll have a drop down of the information you need to put in. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy paste this script. I'll make it available. And what you're going to, and you're just going to paste that in there. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go back to the pages. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a page that will have this. So the way that this script works is you're going to embed the calendar within another page, and the scripts will allow you to pass a message event up to the parent window, and then the parent window can track Google Analytics, so you'll be able to actually track the conversion. So what you're going to do is click edit. So you can see here I've just got this embed. So the way you would go about adding that, you just click this, you do a search on embed, click that. So what you're going to do in this case is you would just click the embed data, and you would paste this script in there. Now, or pardon, not the, you're going to paste this calendar embed script. You're going to need to update the calendar with your calendar. So change this XYZ 123 to the one you're looking for. And you'll paste that in there. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to add an embedded script. So where is it? Script. Yeah, so you can add the code. And what you'll do next is, I'm going to click on this, edit, and what you're going to do is you're going to paste this part in there. You're going to change, where is it? You're going to change the success event name to whatever you want it to be called in Google Analytics. And what it'll do is, this is the event listener that when the main page, in this case this, gets the message from the iframe saying, hey, it's been booked, it'll register that event to Google Analytics. So you'll be able to track that, and you'll be able to pass it off to, say, Google Ads or whatever other tracking you might be using. So you know, okay, my Google Ads campaign is actually getting conversions. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.